will be different from the normal video that we always upload here. And before we go through this video, I want you to subscribe to the channel, like the video, tell me what you think about what we're about to discuss. So few weeks ago, I think that was last week actually, and Gaddafi appeared on fundraising of Sonak Parawas and their group. People were, many Biafrans were kind of, not happy, because of Gaddafi presence. And why? Not because anybody had personal problem with Gaddafi, but it looks somehow that PM sacked Gaddafi, and Gaddafi have not tried to reconcile or make some amendment or change his way to come back and put things in order. He actually validated the suspicious act or what PM noticed about him by, after sacking him, he said he decided to attack PM fully. And what you are seeing here now is a screenshot of Gaddafi. As you can see on your screen, this post was made by Gaddafi against PM. Now, listen, there are two pictures here. So one is made by PM, as you can see here, with this write-up, and he used that to create propaganda. We understand that, and which is normal in a movement like this. What did Gaddafi do? As you can see, you can just watch the date here, 18th April. Gaddafi made this Twitter and said, when I call him liar, here is the evidence. More I still coming. He made this post after sacking him. He did not make his amendment, retrieve his steps and trying to make peace or trying to find his way back to stay. Do you understand that? Then back then in April, he made this post, meaning that I can't recall the date that he was being suspended, and all that. So since then, Gaddafi did not, did not appear on any fundraising. So let's count from April, because I can't remember the month that he was actually sacked. But it is very, very clear now that he was sacked before April, now or within the April. Then let's say April, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. That is 7 months after sacking him, or maybe you can say 6 months plus. Then all the fundraising, all the town hall meeting, everything that PM, all the engagement, all the gathering and everything that PM used to have from people in different parts of the world, Gaddafi did not appear there. Then he decided to come down after they succeeded in petitioning him and doing all the crooked business they did using people they used. Okay. Then after that, this is where Gaddafi claimed that he was exposing PM by telling you that this thing happened in Syria. And guess what? After making this post, people from DOS rushed to this video, this screenshot, and that PM is busted, that he's that kind of thing. That was then. Now you now see him coming back, and Sonak Barawa clapping, and all of them celebrating. Why I call Sonak Barawa? Because that is he's the leader. He's more, I believe that he's more reasonable and sensible than all the people that are in the camp. You understand? So I use him to represent others. I'm not saying that he's the only one that's, because some of you don't feel comfortable when I call up Barawa. I see some comment. One person, somebody said that I am calling him attacking because he's not Igbo. That is very, very funny, because some of you have that in mind. When I call Sonak Barawa, I'm calling him because he's a leader and he's more reasonable than all of them. Okay, I see all the other ones as a kind of subordinate to his authority. Anyway, this post that Gaddafi is this is one out of many posts that he made against PM. One out of many.
I just see Musa yesterday. Wow. Don't give him some people. The normal website is remain the thing. I come to say right down. These are the Igbos from Gaddafi. So the family is a family of problem. Wow. Come on, I never hear. Microphone was on. I don't meet
them. They called him Kamanos. Afane Tumas Namodekano. Now go again.
And I remain a Biafran. I say it is well. But above all, you guys are all eagle because eagle never been afraid of storm. So keep on flying high. Thank you. It's sure. No human being. I saw where flags were falling off from people's hand. That is a signal from the spiritual world. Keep it on. So thank you, my brothers and sisters. Like I said, I am a
Mr. Gaddafi, so when you say you saw when flag was falling off from people's hands, so that means you were watching convention from beginning to the end.
I come to space. I don't come anonymous. I come to space whenever you guys gather. I show to listen.
So where did the flag fall from somebody's hand, and whose hand did it fall from? And where, which event?
Exactly. I heard that two people have gotten a new name. Some they say it's Matodo. The other one is Mosbow. So when the ancestors knows what is about to happen.
So he's actually here to mock COS and mock Biafrans. People who he felt that he's not in good time with them will include PM. Because if not, why did he not appear when PM was here? Do you understand it? Then somebody who claims that he's fighting for PM is here laughing and making mockery of himself. And some people are claiming that, oh, you are talking about them because you are taking side. Anyway, let's go to another thing. I don't know this person called Eunice PB. I don't know her, but recently her mouth is running, running wide. I don't know if she's a DOS or whoever the person may be, but as you can see, he's one of the member of Sona Barawas, and she's one of the member. She's doing everything that she can to talk down on Biafrans, especially COS. She said the spirit of Biafra will deal mercilessly with her. I mean, Ngozi Orebeze and her gangsters. They always want to nickname people, just like they have named her as Mosbow. You understand? And imagine somebody who is following PM steps, you're tagging her Mosbow. Some say that she's not following her PM steps, but they have refused to tell us what differentiates her from PM. Just like what DS used to say, that PM is different from Master Meccano, they are not doing the same thing, they are two different people and all that, which is true, but the step that both the PM is taking is exactly the steps of Master Meccano. But surprisingly, those who claim they're working with Master Meccano closely, they can't even connect. They can't even see the similarity on what CPM is doing. That tells you what their mindset and what they're in for. Now, this lady you are seeing here, I saw another post of this person, this Eunice, in the past, just like Gaddafi, attacking PM. So, because some of you that say, oh, you don't understand, we want to lecture me, want to tell me this and all that. I guess, okay, tell me, but I'm anyway. Okay, now pay attention to this post you are seeing here, okay? And the person that posed this post says one of the DOS member is in disguise, spotted. When we told you that the people attacking COS have once attacked PM, you think we are joking. Now, see. Then this is PM post, okay? In the past, as you can see here, November 1st, 2023. And this lady is in the PM's live broadcast, because you can see this is live stream, PM State of Nation broadcast back then in November, 1st of November 2023. This woman was in the comment section making a post. Read it here. Eunice PB said the same thing again. Two captains cannot be in the same boat. Attacking PM, that PM is trying to take over of Mazen Namodekano. Are you connecting the dots? So when you hear them now, like most of them are my comment section as well, claiming that they're defending PM structure and the government and all that, but we know where you come from. We know your camp. That's all the fact. That I ignored you or trying to respond to you does not mean that I don't actually know where you are commenting from. This lady that her voice is non-vocal in the camp of Akbarawasoni, they are clapping for them. Oh, to them they have a new member. People are following them. You don't know that people that are following you are actually the real enemy of PM that understand what most of you are doing in the name of protecting structure, which DOS are known for. Structure maintenance. Before the disappearance of PM on social media, I used to call DOS structures maintenance. Anybody that follow me here on must have listened, or most of my video where I address them as structures maintenance. The same thing is what these people are doing now. And they have one thing in common. They want to attack other people, calling them Nigerian agent. They will first they are the first to call you names. They are the first to tell you that you belong to the Nigerian government. They are the first to tell you that you are getting it wrong. But in these guys, they know what they're doing. Some people that are following them actually think that they're following the right thing, that they know what they're doing. Structures maintenance without using common sense, though common sense is not actually common, because if common sense is common, most of you will not be reasoning the way you are reasoning. This is just one out of many of the proof. And we are going to hear, and we are going to watch. Let me bring it up because some of you need to understand, connect the dots. I'm not making this video to convert you, but for you to see the reason why some of us, I kind of, we felt somehow cold when these people names are being mentioned, because we can see what most of you are not seeing. Yes, your love and your hatred on PCOS may blind you on that. What I'm saying now does not mean that COS is getting it 100% right. But what I'm trying to tell you is that I hate what I can't love what I hate. I cannot be spend time and calls DOS out and despise what they were doing. All of a sudden, now I'm pampering and nursing the kind of behavior and the kind of similarities of what DOS are known for, in the name that I want to maintain what heaven know. I don't know, to be honest. So after making huge accusation on this guy, finance minister, that his original name is not what do they call it? What in Kere? That is, his original name is Isaiah Ayago, not Oge Nkere, because Oge is not Oge Chuku or Oge anything, just Oge Nkere. It's not Ogechi, but Oge Nkere. Now, the real name, according to what people are saying, I don't know, is Isaiah Ayago. When I saw this post few days ago, I kept quiet because I want to know if anyone would debunk it. But until now, everywhere is still silent, meaning that this thing is true, but they don't have anything to defend it or to counter this kind of claim. So somebody who is working as finance minister and you can't even know his real name, just like Emeka Gift and Co., what is different? They are still showing you that sign of betrayal, sign of a liar, which is not supposed to be. Because if you are serving in a magnitude like a very well known organization or nation like Biafran nation, you should not come with your fake identity, unless if you are in for something strange. Like I said, those who accuse people easily are actually the real fake people. Anytime you see people calling names, like DOS are always calling PM Ekperima, Migeti, that in Finland, Wapoda, one room agitator. All these names shows that, look, that DOS themselves are the real fake. Now, between Sona Akbarawa's camp and COS camp, who actually call them easily? Answer that question. So, my people, I want you to tell me what you feel about this body language and countenance of these 4 people on this video, because somebody post this video and see the reaction of other people, then compare it with 4 of these people standing from Nkere here and down to the other men and the women. They don't know. I don't know them. I don't know their name, but I believed and I was told that they are currently in this on the side of Sonak Barawa and Nkere group. Do you understand? Now listen to, just watch, or less if you are lying to yourself. Just calm down, remove sentiment. Tell me what the body language of these people. Okay, the body language of 4 of them. Even if you are trying to lie, your conscience is gonna judge you while watching it. Don't listen, because some of you are acting as if you're not aware. Now watch this.
And because of our prime minister, and because of the heroes and heroines of Biafra, we are doing what we are doing today. And
So, did you notice something? Did you notice something?
Because of the heroes and heroines of Biafra, we are doing what we are doing today. And nobody can stop us.
So everybody here was clapping. Everybody seemed all of them seemed to be very happy when CS was talking. They were happy, clapping hands and rejoicing and all that. Then guess what? These four people locked up. Why? Why? Just, they sat down as if they are in a burial ceremony, or I don't know. Please, what do you think? What is your own feelings about this? Yes, you. Some of you will have, of course, we must have reason. All of you must have reason. But look at the Ogenker. Look at his face. Just look at his face. Now, because maybe you don't like the voice of CS, so I have muted it. You don't like it, now or again, watch the face. Watch your face. When he will turn this side very soon. So, my people, I just want you to, tell me about your own take on that. Please like the video and comment. Tell me what you think about all of this. Because so far, God bless you. Bye bye for now. Don't forget to subscribe. It's very important.